Okay, so Lab 2, network security groups and application security groups. So the organization has two groups of servers, web servers and management servers. Each group of servers should be in its own application security. You should be able to RDP into management servers but not the web servers, assuming we are going to access these by some other way. Okay, yeah, so RDP into management, HTTPS. Yeah, so we could just go over through the web. Okay, yeah, web IAS page, access from the internet. Network security group rules should be used to control network access. Alright, so let's get started on the first one. Create a virtual network with one subnet, and the name is going to be here in the region. Alright, great. And this the subnet address. Yeah, so they're both going to be in this subnet. Alright, let's get started. Create. And then size 24. Subnet address range. That's for the subnet. Okay, great, that's down in the address space. Okay. Alright, great. Let's move on to the next one. Now we need to create the application security group for the web servers. Yeah, let's do the web servers first. Okay, so both application security groups should be created. Now onto the network security group. Okay, now that's done, we can now associate them to the virtual network. Okay, done. So it's associated to the subnet that we created from the virtual network. And now create inbound NSG security rules to all traffic to web servers and RDP to the servers. Okay, and the ports should be destination in the select application security group, and then web servers, and then one's going to be for management. Alright, so let's get the web one done first. Do you want me to rename it? Yeah. And then priority is going to be 100. Next one I'm guessing will be 110. That was it. Okay. Provide a single port such as 80 port range, such as or a comma separate list ports ranges. Okay, great. So that one's done. Time for the management one, which will allow us to RDP. Time for the management one, which will allow us to remote desktop protocol. Port range for that, yeah, it's 3389. TCP 1110. It's allow, is it RDP? Allow RDP all. What's wrong with this one? Okay. Alright, now deploy virtual machines and test network filters. Okay, so first one's going to be the web machine, a Windows Server 2022 data center, standard DVS2. Alright, cool. Student. Yeah, seems about right. Disk size. Is it the same one? D2S V3. Let's see. Yes, D2S V3 general purpose. Expensive. Alright, so student, and then password. Okay. Um, no. For the disk sizing, standard HDD. Okay, that's already done. No load balancing and monitoring. Okay, yeah, just create it straight after. Okay, great, that's the web server created. Now for the management server or management virtual machine. Now let's just keep it simple. Yep. Nope. And this size, I'm guessing standard HDD. Networking, all of these. No NIC, and then onto management. Create it. Okay, associate each virtual machine's network interface to its application security group. Once this is complete, which is almost, creating, running. Alright, cool. Let me do the web one first since it's done. And then here we go. Add application security group. Okay, added. And for the management one, once those are done, test the network traffic filtering. This host, you will test the network traffic filters. You should be able to RDP into the management virtual machine. You should be able to connect from the internet to the web virtual machine and view the default IIS web page. Alright, so we'll do the RDP first. And that's done. Alright, great. then connect. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, it's kind of slow. Okay, now we know it was successful. Is there anything else we needed to do in there? Yep, so I wanted to install, run a command script. Pretty much finished with the management one then. Let's go to the web. Operations, run command. Run PowerShell script. And then the install Windows feature, name web server, include management tools. Let's run it. Script execution in progress. Okay, great. So success, true, exit code, success, comment HTTP features, default document. Alright, so that's done. We can check the public web IP address would be this. Yep, great. Back. Yep, so we know it's working. Same IP address, and we've confirmed the RDP as well. So yeah, now we can clean up with Cloud Shell on PowerShell and removing the Azure resources by name, which will force it all to delete. Cloud Shell's here. It's going to update itself, then we can just copy and paste that into it. Okay, great. Alright, and I'll see you in the next one.